In this video, I'll show you how to import products from Redbubble to your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. I'll show you how to bulk import individual products and also products within a particular category. So the first thing we need to do is just grab the URL. I'll show you a few different methods as well in how you can actually import this. And to achieve all this, we'll be using the WPFetchAI plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below or just head over to WPFetchAI.com. Currently, there's a 3-day free trial. You can go ahead and test it out and follow along with this tutorial. Let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've uploaded and installed the WPFetchAI plugin, we've got two options here. So we can import the listing. So we can import products within a particular category, or we can import individual products like so and just click extract. And this doesn't want to extract. So when we scroll down to activity, there's a 403 error. So the site's basically blocking us from crawling the website. That's absolutely fine. If we head back over to the website here, we'll click on the Chrome extension and we'll go ahead and click on Fetch WPFetchAI Capture. And with this one, you do need a plus plan, and then we can just click Capture the page. Just click Import into our WooCommerce store, and that's imported fine. And I'll just click Edit product. We can see our product name here, product image, product description, and the price. And in just a few clicks, we've imported this product onto our WooCommerce store. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.